Okay, so next for y equal to tangent x, how we want to draw the y equal to tangent x. So also same, I labeled pi over 2, pi over 2 is 90 degree, pi is 180 degree. Okay, and then 3 pi over 2 is a 270 degree, and 2 pi is a 360 degree. Okay, so if you draw it, you label x and y, okay, and then if we substitute all the value inside here, you will look at that tangent pi over 2 is math error. Okay, tangent pi over 2. Okay, so you comes out with the math error here. So that means no value is lies on the point pi over 2 here. Okay, so you just put this one tangent 0, you will get the calculator will show you 0 lah. Okay, pi over 2 is 90 degree. So 90 degree less than 90 degree, sikit-sikit ialah, let's say 89.99. Okay, if you don't know how to put in pi, you can change to gradient, you can change to degree 3. You can change to degree. Saya guna darjah, sekarang saya tak guna radian sebab kamu lebih fasih, you all more familiar to the degree, right? So that's why I want to test what is the value that less than pi over 2, what is the y value here. So 90 degree kurang 90 degree sikit-sikit, I put tangent 89.99, let's say lah, dekat dengan 90 degree mah, so I put 89.99. So I press, I will get 5729.577893. Well, this one value is considered as the infinity. It's a very, very big number. So that's why when the value is here, is near to the pi over 2 at the left side. So you will get the positive infinity here. That's why it's going up. Okay. If this one negative pi over 2 at the right hand side, let's say negative. This one is negative 90, right? So here is negative 89.99. So I just put negative 89.99 here. So what is the value here? I will get negative 5729.577893 is the negative infinity here. So that's why from here I will get negative infinity. Okay, again, how I want to draw this side of the graph. Because we never touching the negative pi over 2, we never touching the pi over 2 here. That's why this both line is considered as an asymptote. So as teachers say, for asymptote, make sure you just draw near to the line. Don't far away. This one, if you look at the senior here, the graph is already far away. It's a wrong example here. So make sure you draw like that. Okay, it's very, very near. This one tak ada lah. I don't want. Okay, very, very near to the asymptote. This part also same. It's very, very near to the asymptote. Okay, so this one tak ada lah. This one also, if you look at it, become far away from the asymptote. Is wrong lah. And then the second wrong here is the asymptote here. The asymptote you must draw using the dotted line, not the solid line. It's a dotted line. Okay, mesti dotted line. Unless the asymptote is at the x-axis or y-axis, so for sure that one is the solid line lah, cannot do anything. But it's others than the x-axis and the y-axis, must using the dotted line. Okay, so you just substitute one by one, you will get this is the shape of the graph lah. So if you look here, so what is considered as a period here? So if you see this one is repeated. The same thing is repeated here, the S shape. So the period is this one. Okay, so you can say that the function is periodic with a period of pi. So kenapa saya cakap pi? Sebab dia from negative pi to pi over 2 is considered as 1 pi. So that's why the function is periodic with a period of pi. And then this one, the maximum value, minimum value dia tak ada lah, do not have lah. Sebab is the positive infinity and negative infinity here. Okay, and then the tangent function is an odd function. Kenapa I say it's an odd function? Because the graph is symmetrical about the origin. Why I say symmetrical about the origin? Because this is the mirror here, and then you naik, and then this one turun. Dia macam satu cermin as the origin here, 0, 0. Okay, dia akan reflected here. Okay, so that's why I call that the tangent function is an odd function. Okay, so if you look at the domain here, the domain is not equal to the asymptote nah. So s is not equal to tambah tolak pi over 2, s is not equal to tambah tolak 3 pi over 2, s is not equal to, and then a lot of the domain here. Okay, sebab dia banyak lagi. Okay, so here is the explanation for the example 3.